Easy English for Beginners, Study 6 for September, in the kitchen. Sam's mother was cooking in the kitchen. Sam watched her busily cutting vegetables. "Can I help?" said Sam. "Of course, you can help me peel this garlic," said his mother. "Always be careful when helping out in the kitchen," said the knife. "It is sharp. Even I get a cut sometimes." "Will you slow down then?" Sam asked. "Sure," said Sam's mother. "Can you slow down, Mom?" "If you want to shine tomorrow, you have to sparkle today. 10 minutes a day goes a long way. Thank you for watching and see you next time.